Okay, this is Dan Napier's cable tester project for audio electronics. I've got all my supplies here. I've got my battery, my cables, the LED light, the resistor, the actual cable itself. I'm going to go ahead and test the LED light first. So I'm attaching the negative end of the battery to the negative end of the LED. We're going to attach the positive end of the LED to this resistor. And we take the other end of the resistor, we attach that to the battery. Okay, good. Here we go. I don't know what happened, but it's working now. Alright. So now that we proved that it works through some religious help, if you have heard that, we're going to now test this cable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end we connected to the battery. Instead of connecting it to the battery, I'm going to connect it to the tip of cable end number 1. We'll take another clip and we'll connect the end of cable number 2, the tip of cable end number 2. We'll connect that to the sleeve of cable end number 1. And get it on there. There we go. Now we're going to take a clip to the sleeve of cable end number 1. Try it again. We are going to connect that to the sleeve of cable end number 2. Ah. These clips are so tiny. There we go again. Okay, and to finish up, we're going to take another cable, another clip I should say, to the sleeve of cable end number 2. We're going to attach this to the battery. And see, as you can see, the light is working. So, to follow up, we took the battery from the negative side, lower this a little bit, there we go, a little easier. We took the battery, connected it all the way to the LED. The LED connects to the resistor, you can see that, and that connects to the tip of cable end number 1. That runs through the cable, and on the tip of cable end number 2 we connected it to the sleeve of cable end number 1. We took another clip to the sleeve of cable end number 1 and attached it to the sleeve of cable end number 2. From there we connected that to the battery. As you can see, cable works and it is just fine. One thing I was not sure about this project was I did not know if we had to have a formula or some type of equation for the resistor. As you can see, it's that right there. The only issue I had with it was I could not pull up certain PowerPoints on my laptop. If that was an issue, I apologize and I will take the point deduction for it. Otherwise, I feel this was a successful project, which is unusual for me. So, yep, the cable works and it is just fine. Thank you.